Here's the bedroom in this coach. It's got a king east-west bed. There's these really nice shelves built into the bed. We like the electric heater, washer dryer hookups, and the walk-in. Nice bathroom with double wide sinks. Nice residential style thematic toilet. Nice shower on the seat. Glass doors. Nice big, plenty of room to move around and get dressed in here if you need it. So table and chairs pretty standard, although we prefer the booth bench ottoman style thing. These Thomas Paine couches were really comfortable. Not huge as in tall windows, but a lot of natural light coming in here. All frameless windows. Assuming this is a fold-out couch and hide bed. This has nice big TV, electric fireplace. Nice big pantry in the back with a spice rack and stuff. Lots of storage. These epoxy countertops. Convection microwave. Good size. Not quite residential, but residential style stove. Nice big Norcold 12-volt fridge, freezer. No ice maker, but it comes with ice trays. And of course your coffee/taco bar. Really nice. We like this one a lot. It's got this little fold-out eating area, which is warped on this particular unit. The one downside I really don't like floor furnace vents that will just get full of stuff and will stay. So other than that, this is a really nice unit. Okay.